Hey my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Deepseek R1 model from your Mac. Before we learn to uninstall Deepseek R1 from Mac, let me test it out for you if I have Deepseek R1 locally installed in my Mac or not. To do that, I am going to run the command Ollama run Deepseek R1 colon 1.5p. So if I hit enter, it is going to take me in the prompt of this model Deepseek R1. Now here, let me ask it any question like, what is the definition of where? As you can see, it has answered my question. This proves the presence of the Deepseek R1 model in my Mac. Now let me come out of this prompt by typing / by. Now let me show you where does Ollama store its models. It stores them in its hidden folder. To access which, we'll have to press Command Shift G, and over here we are going to type tilde, which refers our home directory, / dot Ollama. Okay, we are going to go inside it, and here you can see we have models folder. So Ollama stores its models over here. If we go inside it, we'll find two more directories, blobs and manifests. We are going to go inside blobs, and there we have all the models files stored. Okay. Let me give a different view to this. So I installed earlier Deepseek R1 1.5p model that has 1.8 billion parameters, and it was around 1.1 GB in size, and this particular file matches its size. So I'm kind of sure that this is the file of that model, Deepseek R1 1.5p. Now let's remove it. The command for which will be Ollama rm deepseek -r1 colon 1.5p. That is my model. Now we hit enter, and there you go. It says it has deleted Deepseek -r1 colon 1.5p model. And that file is gone. You can see that file is gone. There is no file of size 1.1 GB anymore. So I think I was right. It really was the file of the Deepseek R1 model. Now the remaining files belong to Llama 3.2 model, which I installed at the same time I installed the Deepseek R1 model. So let's try removing this model as well. So I am going to bring it over here. I'm going to set my terminal aside. But first, let me show you whether it is present in my Mac or not. And this is another method to check which all models are installed locally in your Mac. So I'm going to type here Ollama list. All right, you can see Llama 3.2 is present in my Mac. Now we are going to remove it. So the command to remove it will be Ollama rm, and I'm going to simply type the name of the model, which is Llama 3.2. Let's try it out. I hit enter, and you can see it says deleted Llama 3.2, and all the files just vanished from here. That means they have been deleted. And this is how you remove or uninstall models installed locally using Ollama from your Mac. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. So you learned quite many things in this video. First, you learned how to find out which all models are installed locally in your Mac using Ollama, using the Ollama list command. Then you found out which is the hidden folder of Ollama and where the files of different models are stored. Then you learned how to remove the locally installed model Deepseek R1 using the Ollama rm command, and how to remove the locally installed Llama 3.2 model using the Ollama rm command. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something valuable from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.